In the world of kitchen appliances, versatility is key. Imagine having a single cooking tool that can replace 12 different appliances, allowing you to cook, bake, saute, and more with ease. That's precisely what the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus offers. In this comprehensive review, we're diving into the remarkable features, incredible functionality, and limitless possibilities that this 6-in-1 cooker brings to your kitchen. Get ready to unlock a new world of culinary creativity. The Ninja PossibleCooker Plus isn't just any ordinary kitchen appliance, it's a true kitchen multitasker. It takes the place of 12 different cooking tools and appliances, including a slow cooker, food warmer, non-stick pot, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, and more. This means you can declutter your kitchen and simplify your cooking process with one versatile device. One standout feature of this cooker is its ability to sear and sauté directly in the cooking pot. Thanks to the bottom heating elements, you can achieve the perfect sear on proteins and sauté vegetables right in the pot itself. No need for extra pans or transferring to the stovetop. This cooker has it all covered. The Ninja PossibleCooker Plus doesn't stop at stovetop cooking. Its removable cooking pot is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to finish your dishes in the oven for that perfect, crispy top. It seamlessly transitions from stovetop to oven, offering you more cooking possibilities. If you love hosting gatherings and cooking for a crowd, this cooker is a game changer. With an impressive 8.5-quart cooking capacity, you can prepare dishes like chili for up to 20 people, 9 pounds of spaghetti and meatballs, or enough pulled pork for 30 sliders. Say goodbye to the stress of cooking for a large group. The Ninja PossibleCooker Plus doesn't just cook, it cooks faster and more efficiently than conventional ovens, thanks to its triple fusion heat technology. By combining bottom, side, and steam heating elements, it can cook up to 30% faster. Whether it's a succulent roast or a comforting stew, you'll spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your meals. When you invest in the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus, you're not just getting the cooker itself. The package includes an 8.5-quart cooking pot, the PossibleCooker base unit, an integrated detachable spoon ladle, a glass cooking lid, and a chef-curated recipe guide. These accessories enhance your cooking experience and provide you with everything you need to get started on your culinary journey. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus is a kitchen revolution waiting to happen. Its ability to replace 12 different cooking tools and appliances, sear and sauté directly in the pot, handle oven cooking, entertain a crowd, and cook faster with triple fusion heat technology makes it an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Are you ready to simplify your cooking, expand your culinary horizons, and enjoy stress-free cleanup? Click the link below to make the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Plus a part of your kitchen arsenal today.